All right, what's good? So it's been another day of kind of stall, right? Not really too much progression, if not nothing at all. No trades taken today. It's about missing opportunities. I've touched on missing opportunities before. This is kind of voluntary missing opportunities, and it was one that I did not see coming. First off, the current progression on the evaluation is 57% on the evaluation phase. So we still got to pass this phase to get to the funding phase, which to me is incredibly frustrating because we started this account on the 22nd of March 2026 and today's date is Friday the 8th of May 2026. So we have been trading this account for a very long time, coming up to 2 months very shortly. I said to myself that I'm going to set myself a timeline goal, and then obviously that didn't work. It didn't help. So we took that out. It's the pressure, right? But you have to understand that patience is key here. And I just wrapped up another video, which was actually supposed to be yesterday's video. Go and watch that. That one is about the patience, the process, and how break-evens feel like you've actually made no progress, but you actually have. Now, the reason why I'm making this video is because of missed opportunity today. One that I didn't see coming. So here is the actual trade position that I missed, that I only realized I missed when I came to the charts a little bit later. And it was based off of, if we just go over and evaluate it since we're here, the 30 and the 1. So you're coming up, this is COMEX open at 120, so the 130 candle opened up at the 30 minute and you swipe the lows, you broke the lows, you've identified the range, you've identified that prior price action has come down to this range before and flown up. You've got the higher time frame top-down analysis. You've got the daily time frame screaming a very, a good indication, a very healthy indication of a bullish push up in this direction to minimum this area here. We've seen it on the 4-hour time frame happen before, multiple times. So we understood that the minimum requirement that you're going to have is 47.53. Actually, the lines that we marked up today were absolutely beautiful. So what made me miss this opportunity? It's a fantastic opportunity. It's a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Basically a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. It's 1.92. What made me miss it? Well, this new camera that I'm filming on the Insta360 Go 3S, I have been waiting for this camera to arrive for quite some time, and the anticipation distracted me because this morning's session in the gym was absolutely fantastic, but I had a plan where I was going to take the camera to the gym and do a little bit of a mini test on the video because this thing can stick magnetically onto absolutely anything. I can get some cool angles, cool shots. That really threw me off my game in terms of my psychology because I was very impatient. During my workout session, I got distracted and I kept thinking about when the camera is going to arrive. Same thing happened when it actually arrived. So when I came home and it arrived, I unboxed it, I played around with it, and I completely lost track of my time that I didn't even look at the charts until maybe 2. And that's when I realized I've missed this fantastic trading opportunity. One that you never see coming. And I think a lot of people will always give the excuse of, oh, missing an opportunity is okay. I'm one of them included. But you actually don't realize that it catches you out in the most unexpected ways. Don't let, if you've got a plan to take a trade or be on the trade charts, you have a set time, then you stick to that set time. The camera's not going to go anywhere. The box isn't going to move anywhere. So why don't you just trade your session and then unbox the camera afterwards, right? Delayed gratification. It's the same thing that goes for anyone else, right? If you've got a delivery coming or if you've got something you're super excited for, but you know that you have to trade that day, then you have the fixed hours to trade and look for your trading opportunities. I'm smart enough to know that 130 is a very good opportunity because it's an influx of New York volatility. Yet, I let the inner kid in me go and play around with the camera first before looking at the charts. And I know that the charts is very time-based. So it's a very stupid decision of me. You either have the trading day or you make a choice before the trading day starts. I am not trading this session. Like this morning, we know that Fridays is very hectic in the morning, so I don't trade London session on Fridays. That's completely fine. I don't look at the charts. I don't break down the charts. I don't do anything on the charts. So you have to implement that into your New York sessions too. This is for anyone. Plan it out. Plan your day. If you know that you've got something going on, then you make a choice. Are you going to have a fixed time on your trading session, or are you just going to not trade at all? that's basically the moral of the story today that I'm struggling with. I want to document to myself, don't make this mistake again. Understand that you have a trading day. Every single day is a trading opportunity. Last month and the start of this month has been quite tough in terms of price action. So when you have an opportunity, you want to be able to take advantage of it. So you have to be locked in and focus on the charts all the time. I'm telling myself these facts because I know I can forget. That's basically it. I just hope that there is a lesson in this for you, as much as there is a lesson in it for me. But 57% across the board. We're still stuck at this area, and I'm just waiting for more opportunities that I actually take advantage of. Just focus on the charts, focus more, have a fixed time, and the rest will follow. Focus on the process and don't focus on a fixed deadline or a time, because that will put way more stress on your trading psychology, and that is definitely not something you want, especially when you're in the phase where you're so close to getting what you need. Just follow the process.